Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve sample guys offline. To know how to fix or how to solve sample guys offline, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you will find this page, you will search about this app or this game of sample guys. Then you will enter the first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter the storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your airplane mode. You can turn on, then you can wait, and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix your issues that you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.